Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to show you a really fun project share. This is called Foto Folios. Foto Folios is going to be a National Scrapbook Day event. Here is the icon button that you want to look for on the blog when looking for this event. It's May 2nd. I'm teaming up with Kathryn from Kathryn Scraps, and we're going to have a blast on National Scrapbook Day. So the super fun project that we're both going to be working on is called Foto Folios. What is Foto Folios? It is a quick and easy memory keeping style. All right. You're going to get, this is a photo folio. It's kind of like a folder design here with a really sturdy spine. I use craft text for this project. I will be using craft text for all 6 styles. Okay. During the National Scrapbook Day event, I will be showing you how to make one style because there just is not going to be time to do 6 during the event. Otherwise, it'll be a whole week event. So I'm going to show you how to make one style. But in the tutorial, you will get instructions and pictures on how to make 6 different folios with different page configurations. All right. The beauty about this project is that you're going to have a different way to display your memories, a different way to gift your memories. And once you make these pages, you can actually use the designs of these pages if you want to make mini albums. So I find that really versatile. I like to bring you guys projects that are versatile that you can use with other things. And you're going to love the page and folio configurations in these projects. Remember, I said you get 6. Between Kathryn and I, you're going to get a total of 12 different folio styles. So you're going to want to watch us both. You're going to want to pick up both the tutorials. And by the way, we're doing a 2-for-1 on the tutorial. All right. So you guys can take advantage of both, which I love that idea. All right. So let me talk to you a little bit about this one. The paper that I'm using here, I know you guys are like, what is this paper? It's so fabulous. I will have kits available for this, guys, and those will go up for advanced ordering. However, I will not have time to get them out before National Scrapbook Day because I just won't. So you will receive your kits after National Scrapbook Day. But if you don't get the kit, use your own supplies. All right, so this particular folio is a combination of 2 paper collections. Let me show you these very quickly. It is Simple Stories DIY Boutique and the Kaisercrafts Happy Snaps. This is like the cutest paper collection ever. If you don't own it, you want to pick up the kit, or you can just pick it up on your own, okay? So this particular one and this kit will be DIY Boutique, and Kaisercrafts Happy Snaps. I will have 6 different kits for the 6 different folios, and you can pick whichever ones you want up. You can mix and match. You can do whatever you like. But again, National Scrapbook Day, Foto Folios, you want to join us in the classroom. So let me show you this fun page configuration here. We've got some slant pockets here, a V-style pocket, just to bring you something a little bit different. The really fun pocket that I have to give absolute credit to Miss Diane that showed us how to do this pocket with your We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch. And I have a tutorial on how to do that, but she showed me how to do that, so I always have to mention her when I do this pocket. So thank you, Diane. So here we get to use all of the super fun cards and the 3x4s and the 4x6 cards that are super popular. It's the pocket scrapbooking style cards such as Project Life. Every company across the board, I think, has these cards now. In your kits, you're going to get exactly what I use in these projects. And you're also going to get a closure because not only are you going to get 6 folio styles, 6 different folio styles, you're going to get a container, some sort of box that you're going to put these in, and I'm saving to show you that on Friday. So make sure you show up to my Friday class if you want to see the rest of the folios and the box that these are going to be in. And I say box, but not really box. All right. A really fun surprise here is this page design that I recently introduced in my remake of the accordion binding. It opens up again the hidden page to do that and just give you this lovely, lovely spread all the way across. Just again, like I always say, guys, to tell the story, this pocket down here, you'll see that when it flips down, you can take advantage of all those really fun cards that we can all pick up, again, that every manufacturer is making. So 4x6 photos, guys. You can use the 3x4s, the 4x6 cards. So every folio will be designed to accommodate these cards and full photo mats, okay? 4x6 photo mats, okay? Right here. Beautiful spaces for large size photo mats, kind of create a scrapbooking layout here. And the spine is expandable, okay? The beauty about this spine is if you decide to add another page, you can increase the spine in any of the folios super duper easy without breaking your head and thinking about math. And I will show you all how to do that as well. All right, so really fun page on this one. Again, this is style number 1 of the photo folios. You will get a total of 6 styles. There's also a pocket in the cover, which is super fun if you ask me, for a giant size photo mat. So I love this project, guys. For those of you who follow me forever, who have followed me forever, when I made my storyteller project, I made some uh, page layouts that were inspired by Project Life, the way that the pictures are configured on a page and all, etc., etc. And I said to you guys that I was gonna make a project designed completely around. Oh, I got some tape there. Completely around that concept. So this is it, guys. Instead of bringing you another mini album, I decided to bring this to you all. So some of you will get a peek at what usually my bonus projects look like for the Kit Club. Because for those of you who are in my Kit Club, you know that I do lots of this type of bonus projects for the quarter. So you're going to love these new configurations and these new page styles. So I hope you all join me for photo folios on National Scrapbook Day. And if you want to, I'm sure you're going to want to pick up the tutorial, so I will link you all down below. Remember, this is advanced ordering, guys, and the tutorial will be emailed to you. If you pick up the kits, remember that you will receive them after the event. All right. So I hope you join me and Kathryn. This is Kathy from Paper Phenomenon. And until next time, or should I say until National Scrapbooking Day.